Hi, I'm Madeline Pearson, and this is my Edtech for Equity Advocacy presentation. I chose to dive a little bit deeper into seesaw being used in the classroom. My presentation will conclude of the first slide was my title slide. This is my overview. I'll have a little bit of background information about seesaw. I'll include those Edtech for Equity questions. There's going to be a quick video about seesaw inspiring children in the classroom. There's going to be a picture and a conclusion. So EdTech is the use of technology resources to advance student learning. I find EdTech to be a very powerful tool that will only continue to grow as time goes on. I decided to advocate for Seesaw because this is something I see the students in my practicum use just about daily. Seesaw is a digital portfolio that is very inspiring to students. Students can show their work with photos, drawings, videos, text, PDFs, and links. Students can reach out to their teachers via Messenger, as well as parents. They can also reach out to their student's teacher. Parents can see students' work uploaded to Seesaw. Are we engaging all students in student groups? I said for the most part, ELL students can express themselves in their first language in videos. I see my ELL students doing that all the time. We take pictures of our writing for the day, and since kindergarten students can't necessarily write sentences, they will take a video of their drawing and writing and say, "This is me at the pumpkin patch," and that's what the sentence below is supposed to say. So it gives students a wide range of choice. It may not be the best for visually impaired students. Are students able to create something to show their thinking? Absolutely. Seesaw is a very powerful tool for this. Students can show their thinking using pictures, videos, links, and even drawings. Students can also collaborate with each other on Seesaw. Here's a quick video that shows classroom engagement using Seesaw.
My students use Seesaw to demonstrate and share their learning. We use it on our Chromebooks every day. It's really the best app I found for unlocking creative thinking and giving my students so many options to show what they know.
In science, we are working on a group project about the water cycle. We used a picture that I took last week at the beach to label 8 main steps of the water cycle.
My favorite example of figurative language on this page is shimmering veil of heat, which is imagery. Shimmering veil gives me a better picture of the kind of heat of that day, and it sounds cool.
So 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, so my answer is 2 over 6, or 2/6. Oh, I can simplify that. Kunal has 1/3 of his flour left.
Seesaw really helps with classroom engagement because they're the ones showing their thinking and their learning. They're getting a chance to draw or take pictures and then go a step further and explain their thinking, and it really cements the learning.
As you can see, there's many ways that students can show their learning and express themselves on Seesaw. I think this is a very powerful piece of technology for future generations. Here's an image that I found, and I chose to use this image because it looks a lot like how my kindergarten class uses Seesaw. They take pictures and videos of their writing, like I said, and they'll explain what they wrote about. So their parents can look through their portfolios on Seesaw and see where they were in September compared to where they were now, and it gives parents a good general idea, as well as teachers, of their improvement as the year goes on. I am an advocate for EdTech. As time goes on, technology will be seen more and more in classrooms. I think that it is important to be aware of our resources as future educators. If technology is being used effectively, I believe equity will increase in schools more and more.